In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Spreadsheet to Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate to the Templates page and select the Sheet category to open a blank spreadsheet. To save time, I'm going to use the built-in AI assistant to generate my data. I'll enter a prompt to create a list of numbers from 1 to 10, including the written word for each and a specific tracing format. Once the table is ready, I'll insert it into the sheet and rename the document to number so it's easy to find. Next, I'll open a new A4 design to build my worksheet template. I'll start by adding a rounded rectangle to serve as a border and then insert a large number as my main tracing element. I'm choosing an outline font to make it perfect for practice. I'll also search the elements for writing lines and arrange them neatly on the page. I'll duplicate these elements and add a text box at the bottom where the number word will go. Now for the magic part. I'll go to the Apps tab and select Bulk Create. I'll choose the Sheets option and select the number data source I just created. After selecting my data range, I'll right-click each element on my page to connect it to the correct data field, linking the big number, the tracing numbers, and the text at the bottom. Finally, I'll click Continue and generate the designs. Canva instantly creates 10 unique pages, one for each number in my list. To finish up, I can manually add fun graphics like airplanes and cars to each page to match the value. This is a great way to automate your creative workflow and save hours of manual work.